The Rewarded Play new user bonus is only available during the initial account setup, so missing a step when you first install the app can mean you never receive the bonus on that account. By the end of this video, you'll know how to maximize your chances of receiving the new user bonus and what to check if it doesn't appear. Start by downloading Rewarded Play from an official app store or an official promotional link. Avoid downloading modified versions or APK files from third-party websites because they may not qualify for promotional offers or may cause account issues later. Next, create your account using accurate information. Complete the registration process before opening any recommended games. If the app requests permissions such as usage access or activity tracking, review the prompts carefully and enable the permissions required for rewards to track correctly. If the app can't verify gameplay, bonus rewards may not be credited. After registration, look for a welcome offer, introductory challenge, or bonus notification inside the app. Promotional offers can change over time, so don't assume every new account receives the exact same reward. Check the rewards page, promotions section, or notifications to see what is currently available for your account. Once the bonus appears, follow the required steps exactly. That usually means installing games directly from the Rewarded Play catalog, instead of searching for the same game manually in the App Store. Launch the game through the tracking link provided by Rewarded Play and spend some time playing so the activity can be recorded. If your bonus doesn't appear, refresh the app, check your internet connection, and confirm you're signed into the correct account. Also verify that you haven't previously used Rewarded Play on the same device, or with the same account details, if the promotion is limited to first-time users. Reinstalling the app usually won't restore a missed new user offer if the account has already been created. If you've completed every required step and the bonus is still missing, use the in-app support option. Include screenshots of your account, the installed game, and any promotional message you receive. Clear details make it easier for the support team to verify your claim. Here's the takeaway. Install Rewarded Play from an official source, complete account setup before installing games, follow the app's recommended game links, and check the promotions section for your available offer. If the bonus still doesn't arrive after meeting the requirements, contact support with screenshots and your account information. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Rewarded Play tips, and check out our other videos covering common reward tracking and redemption issues.